Hi everyone, it's Mal from Sparkly Belly. In my last few videos, I've been decorating this belly dance costume by adding a lace sleeve and appliques, and I also made a matching hair clip that doesn't fall off easily. I'll finish up this costume in this video by adding small sparkly details. Let's get started. So for this last bit of decoration, I used bees. These are the same bees as ones I used to create the starflower appliques. Rhinestones, matching color thread, and rhinestone glue. First, I took my double-threaded needle to sew on large bees. I had 3 colors of these large bicone bees, so I took them randomly and scattered them across this lace section. Next, I took smaller bees and started to fill the empty areas with them. This time, I placed them a little closer together and made sure to fill to the edges of the lace section. Again, I had 3 colors, so I used them randomly. But when I say random, it's not completely random. This is organized randomness, where I make sure the colors and shapes are evenly distributed at the same time. If your costume has pleats or gathers like mine, keep the thread tension in check and be mindful of where to place bees so that you won't collapse or flatten these small folds. With bees, the fabric creates new bumps and an interesting texture as well. Continue on to the sleeve section. Once you know the balance and ratio of big and small bees that you like, you can mix them from the beginning as you sew. And again, keep the thread tension in check so the sleeve stays flowy. Then I switched the thread to gray to work on the gray areas. Next, I wanted to add more sparkles that mirror ones of the appliques, so I glued on rhinestones in empty spots. I just looked at the costume close up, then from a distance, then close up again to find the balance that I liked. When decorating a costume like this, key is to mix different sizes of decoration, or colors or shades of colors, and textures. I personally believe that mixing different elements makes the whole costume look more intricate, tasteful, and unique. But make sure to repeat the same elements a few times so nothing looks out of place. In my next video, I'll share with you my costume decoration rules. So if you're always not sure where to start when it comes to decorating, you can follow the simple rules to create a beautiful and unique costume. So I just continued on with beads and rhinestones for the bra, the straps, the skirt, and the side swag, and this costume is complete. I love the mix of bright yellow and gray and would love to wear this beauty on the summer outdoor performance. Hope this tutorial gave you sparkly ideas, and if it did, please share the sparkles and this tutorial with your crafty dancer friends. And you can find information about how to make this bra, the skirt, the side swag, everything in the description below. And in my next video, I'll share with you my costume decoration rules, so subscribe to my channel or sign up for my newsletter and stay tuned. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!